Nestled between towering alpine peaks and a mirror-like lake lies a village too perfect to be real. Welcome to Hallstatt, a place where time stands still and fairy tales come to life. Nestled in the Salzkammergut region, Hallstatt is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a history as rich as its scenery is stunning. There's no highway here, and that's the point. Most visitors arrive by boat or train, and the approach, simply unforgettable. The village slowly reveals itself like a painting coming to life. Reflections ripple across Lake Hallstatt. Steeples rise. Wooden houses seem to float on water. This moment will stay with you forever. Every street feels like it was designed for postcards. There's the iconic Market Square, filled with cozy cafes, smiling locals, and centuries-old charm. Notice the flower boxes on every balcony, the hand-carved signs, and the way sunlight bounces off slate rooftops. Hallstatt is more than just a pretty face. This village is ancient, with roots tracing back over 7,000 years. It all began with salt, known as white gold. The Hallstatt salt mine is the oldest in the world. Take a ride up the funicular, and you'll not only find panoramic views, but underground tunnels echoing with history. Fun fact, the entire Hallstatt culture in archaeology is named after this town. That's how important it is. Lake Hallstatt is pure serenity. In summer, the water sparkles like a dream. Want the perfect view? Head up to the Skywalk, a floating platform 360 meters above the village. From here, Hallstatt looks like a miniature model. And while you're up there, grab a strudel and coffee at the Mountaintop Cafe. Yes, even the pastries taste better at 3,000 feet. Hallstatt isn't a checklist destination, it's a feeling, a stillness, a moment of peace in a noisy world. So if you're dreaming of a place that feels like a fairy tale, Hallstatt is calling. The lake, calm and mirror-like, is the heart of Hallstatt. Glide across it by boat or simply sit by the shore. The reflections of the mountains, the bell tower, the wooden boathouses, it's a living painting. A moment of peace in an often chaotic world. In winter, Hallstatt transforms into a snow globe. The lake freezes, lights twinkle in the windows, and the silence of falling snow turns the village into a serene sanctuary. It's like stepping into a holiday dream. In autumn, the hills explode in gold and orange. As the sun sinks behind the mountains, Hallstatt begins to glow. The lake turns gold, boats glide home, and the village slows down, almost like it's dreaming. One by one, windows light up, warm, quiet, welcoming, like little stars flickering to life. Evening in Hallstatt isn't just beautiful, it's peace, it's poetry, it's a moment you'll never want to end. Thinking of visiting? Here are a few quick tips. Getting there. Take a scenic train to Hallstatt station, then hop on a ferry across the lake. It's part of the charm. Where to stay? Book early, rooms go fast. When to go? Spring for flowers, autumn for colors, winter for coziness. Hallstatt isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a whisper from the past, a brushstroke of nature's finest art, and a memory waiting to be made. So whether you're dreaming from afar or packing your bags, let Hallstatt steal your heart, one breathtaking view at a time. If you enjoyed this magical journey through Hallstatt, give this video a like, share it with fellow dreamers, and don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking destinations from around the world.